Hello everyone, this is Jonathan. I am here to give you a little tip on this guide that I made. So it's a pretty big guide with a lot of terms in them. So first of all, you can bookmark this guide just by clicking the little star icon here. And that's so you can reference it at any time that you want. Another tip is to use Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on Mac to search anything that you're looking for. For example, you're looking for the term ACOS, and that's how you find it. You just type it in here, and then you get directly sent to the term. So another example is, let's see, AWS, no, Amazon. All right, and you get added to here. So pretty nice. Yeah, it's a full guide, so enjoy it.